morning. Another brand new day, and thankful to God for giving us a good night's sleep and beautiful morning. And pasensya na kayo sa background. Anak ko yan, may nanood siya ng TikTok ata. So, welcome back to our channel, guys, and I hope you enjoyed our video yesterday. And today, again, our vlog is about our daily life routine. And pasensya na kayo sa mga Bisaya na kakilala ko na nagtatagalog ako at saka English dahil na para naman maintindihan sa viewers namin. Lalo na doon sa nag-request. So, thank you guys sa pag-understand. So, anyway, ngayon, nandito kami sa school. Idalapok ko na yung anak ko. So, dito kami sa school. Maaga pa, kaya hindi pa masyado crowded. Pero, mamaya-maya nito, yes, crowded na.
She wasn't 13.
You don't wanna be in the video? Okay. Alright, you have a good day at school, okay? Don't forget to talk to your angel.
Okay. Okay. I'm tweaking out a little bit.
You have a good day, okay?
Yes.
Your water.
I already have it.
Are you bring your volleyball?
Yes.
Bye, baby.
Hey.
Okay, love you. So, andun na yung anak ko. Bye. Alright. Okay, andun na si Casey. Hello, my love. Kumusta imong morning? Very good. Thank you, God. We all are okay. So, kakain na naman kami kasi it's 10 o'clock for our brunch. So, it's 10 in the morning, but still cloudy and cold outside. Beautiful morning. So habang nasa school yung anak namin, and before mag back to work si Happy, we're gonna go eat our lunch. Got my hot chocolate.
Are you guys gonna?
So andito kami sa NAT. So wala pa masyadong mahabang linya. Tignan natin kung anong magiging ganap namin ngayon bago kami kakain. But I got my hot chocolate already. Malamig, malamig. 10:30 ata sila mag-open. Malamig. So mga 10 minutes pa magbukas yung restaurant. So kaya dito muna kami upo-upo. No rides for today. Mag-git muna kami dito. Malamig pa rin ang panahon. So again, dito kami sa loob ng NATS. Berry, dito kami kakain. So, hi guys. Voice over na lang to kasi for muted copyright. Loko itong mister ko. Wala ito sa plano. Sasakay daw kami dito for the first time. So, again, nandito kami sa Nasberry Farm. Lagi kaming pumupunta dito for food. But, sa time na to, nasa mood daw si Mr. sasakay dito. Actually, wala talaga to sa plano. Pero gusto niya sumakay. Hala, sige. Tignan natin. Andito na kami sa entrance. So, sa batch na yan, pagbalik nila, kami na. So, pasensya na guys, hindi ko talaga makuha yung video. Around, sakay kami nang dahil bawal magdala ng device. But anyway, ako'y kinakabahan na. Totoo na talaga to.
For your safety, make sure you keep your head back. Be flat on down during the ride. Zones are going really, really high and really, really fast. But most importantly, we hope you have a blast.
Oh God! Mas lalo akong kinakabahan. Diyos ko. Wala pa kami noon. Yun yung naunang batch sa amin. After niyan, pagbalik nila, kami naman yung kami naman yung sasakay. So, good luck sa amin. Shoot, narinig ko yung sigaw nila. So, they are back! Yay! Kami na! You ready? Sakay na kami! It was crazy. Alright. Good luck sa next. It was good. It was not bad.
Incoming racers, Crocs. Don't forget all your loose articles go in those purple cubbies. That's lost in your bag. Once you sit down, buckle those seatbelts first before you go down on that big yellow lap bar. Seatbelts
We
go
had a
on
good
first.
time.
Those lap bars can come down.
It's our first time up here.
I like it. I like it. I want to do.
So, after namin sumakay, andito na kami sa baba. Nang dahil nga hindi ako maka-video during our ride. So, ito yung actual na ride process. So, imagine nyo na lang kung sakay kayo dyan. Sige, enjoy nyo. Watch it. And enjoy while watching. Nagutom kami ni Happy, kain muna kami. So, gusto namin mag-rice. So, andito kami sa Panda.
Thank you.
So, naka-order na si Happy. Nag-change yung mind namin. Hindi na lang muna kami mag-rice. But si Happy, nag-order siya ng noodle. So, tapos na kami kumain. Actually, after nito, aalis na kami. I mean, si Mr. pala, getting ready to work na rin din ako naman to pick up Casey, and then meron akong gagawin din mamaya. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. See you next time.